From the humble street frontage of the cottage, you would never guess that this contemporary, wonderful home sits beyond. This is 17 Annie Street in Auchenflower. You enter the home from the side into this dramatic, cool foyer. The walls are curved. The main bedroom is the original cottage. There's plenty of space here with an ensuite and walk-in robe, as well as character features such as VJ walls and French doors that lead out to the front veranda. Up the terrazzo stairs, and then you'll find 2 more bedrooms. There's the family bathroom, and at the end of the hallway is the media room, playroom for the kids. Upstairs you'll find the 4th bedroom, which could be used as an alternative main bedroom if you choose. It has a 2-way bathroom plus a private study or sitting area with a leafy outlook. This all flows out to the main living space, which is open plan. There's some wonderful features here, again soaring ceilings, beautiful glass windows, allowing all that light and green aspect to flow in. The kitchen is modern and sleek, and it all leads to that cool and dramatic fireplace. This is one of my dream homes because it blends in so beautifully with the streetscape, and yet it gives you that contemporary lifestyle. Talking about lifestyle, well, it's walking distance to the Milton State School, Frew Park, and the delightful Rosalie Village, and more. So come and see me very soon.